Hello again, fourth graders. It's homework time. Get your Succeed book. Let's open to page 213. We will look at the Lesson 20 homework helper. Number 1, Paco solved a division problem by drawing an area model. This is the area model. Look at the area model. What division problem did Paco solve? I add the areas to find the whole. So the areas are in here, 40 and 28. Add those together and you get 68. That's the whole or the dividend in the problem. The width is the divisor. Here's the width, it's 4. Here's the divisor, so 68 divided by 4. Then you add the two lengths to find the quotient. The numbers on top make the quotient. 10 plus 7 is 17. Here's the quotient, 17. Now let's look at B. It says, show a number bond to represent Paco's area model. Start with the total. Here's the total, 68. That's the in all number. And then show how the total is split into two parts. 68 is split into 40 and 28. Look on the area model. See the two parts? 40 and 28. That's what goes on the two parts of the number bond. Below the two parts, represent the total length using the distributive property and then solve. So for 40, it's showing 40 divided by 4 because the width is 4. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. That's what's up here on top. So they showed 40 divided by 4 equals 10. Then the second part is 28 divided by 4. Look here at the area model. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. That's what they have. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. Then you add the two parts together and it equals 17. It says dividing smaller numbers is easier for me than solving 68 divided by 4. I could solve mentally because these are easy facts. These are basic division facts. So if you can decompose the whole into two smaller parts, it can help you to solve the division. Look down at number 2. Number 2 says solve 76 divided by 4 using an area model. Explain the connection of the distributive property to the area model using words, pictures, or numbers. It says the area model is like a picture for the distributive model. Each rectangle represents a smaller division expression that we write in parentheses. The width of the rectangle is the divisor in each sentence. The two lengths are added together to get the quotient. So for 76 divided by 4, this is the area model. It says, I think of 4 times how many lengths of 10 get me close to 7 tens in the whole. Well, that would be 110. So here's 110, or the number 10. 4 times 10 is 40. That goes in the first part. And what's left to get to 76 for the total is 36. And 36 divided by 4 is 9. So here, the first section is 40 divided by 4 equals 10. That's right here in parentheses. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. That's right here in parentheses. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. And 36 divided by 4 equals 9. Add those together and you get 19. Here it is on top. 10 and 9 equals 19. This is the quotient. Now let's turn the page. Look at problem number 1. Maria solved a division problem by drawing an area model. A. Look at the area model. What division problem did Maria solve? First, we need to find the in all number, or the dividend. We look inside the area model. I see 30 and 24. To get the in all number, we need to add those together. What is 30 plus 24? That makes 54 in all. So the dividend is 54. That goes first on the division problem. Okay? Then we look at the width of the area model to find the divisor. The width is over here on the side. That means we're dividing by 3. 54 divided by 3. Now, the quotient, or the answer to the division problem, is already on the area model for us. Do you remember where we look to find the quotient? We look on the top. There's 10 and 8. We put those together to make the quotient. What is 10 plus 8? 10 plus 8 equals 18. So the quotient is 18. This is the division problem that Maria solved. 54 divided by 3 equals 18. Now part B. Show a number bond to represent Maria's area model. Start with the total and then show how the total is split into 2 parts. So the total, that's our in all number right here, 54. That goes on the top of the number bond. Then we show how it's split into 2 parts. Her 2 parts are 30 and 24. So we're going to put those in these parts of the number bond, 30 and 24. And now we show the smaller division equations, or the simpler division problems, right? 30 divided by, what's our divisor? It's right here, 3. 30 divided by 3. And we can see on the area model, 30 divided by 3 equals 10. That goes here. Now for 24, look over here. 24 divided by 3. Fill it in. And what is 24 divided by 3? It equals 8. That goes here. Now we add 10 plus 8 equals 18. So this is the same as this. It's just a different way of showing it. Let's work on number 2. Number 2 says solve 42 divided by 3 using an area model. Draw a number bond and use the distributive property to solve for the unknown length. Let's start with our area model. 42 divided by 3. The width is 3. The divisor is the width. Our total is going to be 42. Now remember, we're going to start by asking how many lengths of 10 can we use to get to 42 without going over, or to get close to 42 without going over. We can use 1 length of 10. So I know the first part is going to have 10 on top. And what is 3 times 10? That goes in here. It is 30. So our in all is 42. Right now we have 30. How much more do we need to get to 42? You could count up, or you could subtract 42 minus 30 to see what's left. 42 minus 30 is 12. So we need 12 more in this section of the area model. Now we need to divide 12 divided by 3 equals what? Think of your 3's. It is 4. Now let's look on top. We have 10 and 4. That will become the quotient. What's 10 plus 4 equal? That's 14. Okay, now let's do our number bond. We start at the top with the in all number, or the dividend, which is 42. Then we make the two parts. And what do we have in our two parts that makes 42? We have 30 and 12. Those go here and here. Now we show the division. For this part, we're doing 30 divided by, what's the divisor? 3. And what is 30 divided by 3? It equals 10. That can go right here underneath. Okay, now let's look at the second part. We're doing 12 divided by, what's the divisor? 3. We put this in parentheses to show 30 divided by 3 goes together for this part, and 12 divided by 3 goes together for this part. What does 12 divided by 3 equal? 12 divided by 3 is 4. That goes here. Then we add 10 plus 4, and that equals 14. And that is the quotient. For the area model, it's the length. The length is 14, and the width is 3, and the total area is 42. Now turn the page. Let's work on number 3. Solve 60 divided by 4 using an area model. Draw a number bond to show how you partitioned the area and represent the division with a written method. Let's start with our area model. So the divisor is 4, that goes on the side. Our in all number is 60. We need to get to 60 in all. How many lengths of 10 can we use to get close to 60 without going over? 4 times 1 10 would be 40. 4 times 2 10s would be 80. That's too high. So we could do 1 length of 10. So we'll start with 10 up here. And 4 times 10 equals 40. So that's the first part of our area. Now what's left to get to 60? How much needs to go in this part of the area model? You can subtract 60 minus 40 to see how much more is needed. Did you say 20? That's right, 20 goes in here. So now we have a total of 60 in all. Now we need to divide on this part. 20 divided by 4 equals what? Think of your basic facts. What's 20 divided by 4? Or 4 times something equals 20. It's 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Now look on top. 10 and 5. If you put those together, that will give you the quotient. That makes 15. Now let's work on our number bond. At the top, we put our in all number, the dividend. It was 60. Then we show how we partitioned it into 2 parts. We have 40 and 20. Now we show the division for each part. This part is 40 divided by 4. And what does 40 divided by 4 equal? It equals 10. Now show the division for this part. It is 20 divided by 4. What's 20 divided by 4 equal? 5. That goes here. Now we add them together. 10 plus 5 equals 15, and that is the quotient. It's also the length on the area model. The next thing we have to do here is represent the division with a written method. That means we're going to be doing the algorithm as well. 60 divided by 4. Set up the algorithm. Start in the tens place. 6 divided by 4. How many times can 4 go into 6? Only one time. Write a 1 on top of the tens place. Now multiply. 4 times 1 equals 4. That's what we subtract. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Now we need to bring down that 0. We have 20. 20 divided by 4. Think of your 4's facts. 4 times something equals 20. Did you say 5? That's right. Put the 5 on top of the 1's place. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract it. And 20 minus 20 equals 0. So there's no remainder. Now look, here's our quotient. 15. That's the same as what we see on top of the area model and what we got when we showed our number bond. Now we check our work. We multiply the quotient times the divisor. 15 times 4. Go ahead and multiply and see what you get. I got 60. Is that what you got? Good job. This time, the remainder is 0, so we don't need to add the remainder. We checked our work, and it's correct. Now you could try the next problems on your own. You can do it. See you next time. Goodbye.